morning. This is the exacttrades.com movers report for September 2nd, 2011. First, we're looking at symbol FNSR. You can see we're gapping up here pre-market. Let's take a look at the daily. We're gapping up here above this resistance area. It's consolidation here. Let's go back to the 15-minute. We're going to look for some further upside on this. Look for a breakout of a new high above the open with strong volume. Make sure it's over 2060 area. We want to make sure we get above some of this resistance area. So watch for a new high above the open with strong volume. Take it long. First profit target's going to be 2080. Second profit target is going to be 2098. And then keep a small piece. See if we can trend up into this 2150 area and possibly 22. Next, we're looking at symbol VRA. We're gapping up pre-market. Let's take a look at the daily. We're going to look for a breakout above the 2 days ago high. Let's go back to the 15-minute chart. So we're going to look for it to break through this area here. Watch for a breakout above 35.51. Take it long. First profit target's going to be 35.86. So right here. And see if it can break $36. Second profit target is going to be 36.21. And then I'd keep a small piece, see if it can get up into 37, possibly 37.50 area. Next up is JDSU. We're gapping up pre-market. We've been hitting off this $14 area. Let's take a look at the daily. See, we have this resistance here at $14. We're gapping up above the 50-day moving average here. So we're going to look to take this long over 1405. First profit target is going to be 1419. So right here. Second profit target is going to be 1434 right there. And then see if we can trend up into this $15 area, possibly 1530. Just trail the last piece with the trailing stop. Next up is KGC. We're gapping up this morning. Let's take a look at the daily. See, we're gapping up. We're going to look for a breakout above this resistance area. I'd go ahead and wait for a breakout above the whole dollar. Go ahead and take it long over 1805. First profit target is going to be 1823, which is about 1% from your entry. Second profit target 1841, and then keep a trailing stop on the last piece. See if we can get into this $19 area, possibly 1950 at this next resistance point here. Next up is symbol NFLX, Netflix. You can see we gapped down last night into this morning. We're going to open around this 210 to 212 area. We're going to look to take this short on a new low below the open with strong volume. Go ahead and take it short. First profit target is going to be 1% from your entry. Second profit target is 2% from your entry. So right about here. See if we can trend down. Next support's going to be around 203.70 and then possibly 202, and then ultimately down in this $200 area will likely provide some strong support. Next up is CWH. You can see we're gapping down. Let's take a look at the daily. We're gapping down into this $18 area. We're going to look to take this short on a new low below the open with strong volume. Make sure it's below 1795 or so. Take it short. First profit target is going to be 1% from your entry, so about 18 cents. Second profit target is going to be 2%, so about 34 cents from your average entry. Let's see if we can trend down. Next support is going to be this $17 area. If we break that, we could see some more selling down to the 1670, possibly 1650 area. So I just keep a trailing stop on your last piece. Next up is BP. You can see we're gapping down this morning. Let's take a look at the daily chart. We gapped down below this support level here. We had support at 36.84. Let's go back to the 15-minute. You can see we're gapping below that. We're going to look for continued selling. Watch for a short on a new low below the open with strong volume. Look for a 1% profit target from your average entry as your first target, 2% for your second target, and then manage the rest with a trailing stop. If we get some selling in the market, this could give a nice move. So that's it for today. Good luck today. Have a great holiday weekend. Remember, the markets are closed on Monday, and we'll talk to you on Tuesday.